Walking with the bumps in my hoop as I swoop. Here I am, the Mac is clear, I am KD, so baby, get with the program. Damn, what's on the menu? It's about 10 to 5. So let me see what the weather's like. Step outside, drive to my ride.
Motherfucking cops. No, I'm over here.
Pull the top back, cock the hammer on my Glock back.
Was the cops? Hey, what's up? Come on in.
Is Dana here?
Nah, she ain't came home from school. You ain't seen her? Damn it.
What?
Come on. Sit down.
Hi, Smokey.
What's up? Come on. I thought you had a friend want to hook up with me.
I do.
First, how she look?
She's nice.
She got a big booty.
Smokey, I am not trying to look at that girl's booty, all right?
No, you don't looked at her booty before?
Just call her, all right?
She at home?
She should be.
Cheap ass home. Come over here and sit down. Right here. You way over there. Man. Hey, this Smokey. Debbie's homeboy. And she said you wanted to hook up.
Craig,
What's up?
are you high?
Huh?
Are you high?
No, why you say that?
Because you look like you've been smoking.
For real? Nah, I'm cool. I still look high? Nah, describe yourself.
I'm about 5'2", light skin, long hair. I'm thick. People say I look like Janet Jackson.
For real? No shit. Janet Jackson?
Oh, boy.
You know your sister came out here today begging.
Felicia?
Yeah.
She is a trip, I know.
So why don't you come over here? Come over to my homie's house.
All right. You live on Davie Street?
Yeah, you know Dana, right?
The other day I had to stop Debo from beating her ass.
What?
Yes, when he gets high and drunk, he starts tripping. One time he grabbed me.
No.
Yes, grabbed me like this.
For real? I mean, was it like this or was it like this?
Ooh, I think it was the first one.
That's fine. You sure?
Mm-hmm.
What the fuck? Oh, man, I'm tripping.
What's wrong?
Am I tripping?
Hey, I got to go in here in the back room real quick. Control. All right, stop.
God, I ain't getting high no more. Getting high no more. Yeah.
So what's up? Did you guys hook up?
It's cool.
All right, well, I'm about to go home.
Hey, you know my homie want to hook up with you.
Who?
Craig.
Craig already has a woman.
But he don't like her.
I'll see you later.
How you tell I want to hook up with her?
Man, she don't be believing me. I'm high.
Hey, so what you and that chicken head?
Oh, man. She say she look like Janet Jackson.
You lucky.
And you know this man?